One last tip. When you fit in the door card and you've got all your nice fir tree clips all in place, what I do is I offer up the top. I haven't fastened this down at the bottom yet. You can see it's flapping around. I start here and look down this way and align all the pins up first. Align them all up and then progressively push them in. It's so much easier because when you get to things like, well, a minute, let's get the flashlight out again. When you get to things like this, you see, they're all line up, and that one's, they're all a bit loose. So I'm going to put some heat shrink over those, and they'll tighten up really nice. Alright, so there's a tip. I forgot to mention in the video another little tip that you can do. These clips here, in the old blue box, are actually OEM ones, which is supposed to mean the original equipment manufacturer. So that's who makes them for Land Rover, allegedly. But sometimes I've found out that some of these clips won't fasten tight, and the door, you know, it pushes off. So here's a little tip: get some heat shrink, like that. And then, wait a minute, let me put this video on like this so you can see. So if you get some heat shrink and push it over the top, like that, warm it up a bit, like that, and then get you some scissors, like this. It's opened it out just enough to get that extra grip inside those, what they call them, Snap-sacs for some strange reason. But that will actually get a better grip. Might be a bit tight getting them off, but at least they won't rattle around. I don't like to see putting screws through the bottoms of the doors. It's not really necessary. But sometimes, hey ho, it's a Land Rover, who cares? So that's a quick tip.